Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Brandon Kyle, and I teach people how to make money online through affiliate marketing, side hustles, and other online income streams, and I'm super excited that you're here. I hope you enjoy my channel. I know there's plenty of information that's educational as well as inspirational that can help you make your first dollar online. So quickly about me, I started my online journey in 2019. I was suffering some personal injuries, and I was looking for some ways to make some additional income that didn't require the use of my body. Perhaps you remember the great pandemic of 2020. There was this thing called COVID, and the entire world was shut down. Now, whether you believe COVID is real or not, we can all agree that the entire world was shut down and nobody could go to work. And because of that experience, I never wanted to be in a position again where I needed to rely on unemployment or government pandemic assistance checks. I wanted to build something on my own that could create passive income and secure my financial stability into the future. Come 2021, I took this 15-day business building challenge that changed my life. If you want to learn more about that, I'll put the link down below. But it taught me about high income skills, affiliate marketing, course creation, and so much more. It was really like a gateway drug for me, which has led me into more income earning opportunities, right? Through Amazon's affiliate program, their influencer program, learning affiliate marketing, doing a product unboxing business. And now as I continue to expand into more avenues with print on demand and digital downloads, I'm very excited to see what's in the future, and hopefully I can bring you along for the ride.